Welcome back to Code with Me. In this lesson, we're diving into JavaScript modules and Webpack. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand what JavaScript modules are and why we use them, how to export and import modules, an introduction to Webpack and its role in modern JavaScript development. Let's get started. JavaScript was originally designed for small scripts running on web pages. As applications grew more complex, developers needed a way to organize code better. This is where JavaScript modules come in. Modules allow us to break our code into smaller, reusable files, making it easier to manage, debug, and scale. Understanding JavaScript modules. A module is simply a file that contains reusable JavaScript code. Each module can export specific parts of its code, and other files can import them when needed. This modular approach helps in avoiding global namespace pollution, improving maintainability, enhancing reusability. Exporting and importing modules. Exporting in JavaScript. There are two ways to export code from a module. 1. Named exports. 2. Default exports. Named exports. Named exports allow multiple values to be exported from a file. Let's say we have a file named math.js. Export const add equals a, b equal a plus b. Export const subtract equals a, b equals a minus b. Here, we are exporting two functions, add and subtract. To import these functions into another file, import add subtract from /mathjs console.log5 3. Output 8 console log subtract 10 4. Output 6. If needed, we can also rename imports using as. Import add as sum, subtract as minus from math.js, console log sum 5 3, console.log minus 10 4. Output 6. Default exports. A default export allows a module to export one primary value. Example in greet.js, export default function greet name, return hello name. To import a default export, we can use any name. Import greet from /sol.log greet Alice. Output hello Alice. A module can have both named and default exports at the same time. Introduction to Webpack. When using modules in large projects, we often end up with many JavaScript files. To efficiently manage and optimize these files, we use module bundlers like Webpack. What is Webpack? Webpack is a JavaScript bundler that takes multiple JavaScript files, bundles them together, and optimizes them for better performance. It helps in reducing the number of HTTP requests, minimizing file sizes for faster load times, supporting modern JavaScript features across all browsers. Setting up Webpack. To use Webpack, follow these steps. 1. Install node.js and npm. Download and install Node.js from nodejs.org. Check the installation by running node-v npm-v. 2. Initialize a new project. Run the following command in your project folder. npm init-y. 3. Install Webpack and Webpack CL. npm install Webpack, Webpack CLI-save dev. Create a Webpack configuration file. Inside your project, create a file named webpack.config.js and add const path equals require path, module.exports equals entry /ins.js, main entry file output, file name bundle.js, path resolve dir name dist mode development. 5. Run Webpack, npx Webpack. This will bundle all JavaScript files into a single bundle.js file inside the dist folder. If you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.